Hello, welcome to Civil and Structural Spectrum. Now I am going to briefly talk about the basic of RCC slab. So first of all, what is RCC slab? So RCC slab are plain structural member whose thickness is quite small as compared to its other dimensions. Slabs are most frequently used for roof covering and floor in various shapes such as square, rectangular, circular and triangular in building tanks etc. So slabs are generally divided into two parts, that is one-way slab and two-way slab. So how you determine or differentiate which is one-way slab and which is two-way slab? So there are two criteria for differentiating one-way slab and two-way slab. One is longer span by shorter span ratio, and other is the support condition or boundary condition. So when longer span by shorter span is greater and equal to 2, that is one way slab. So here this is, suppose this is smaller direction, this is larger direction, that is greater direction. So if this ratio is greater than 2, then it is one way slab. Other criteria for defining one-way slab is that if slab is supported over two opposite edge only, such as in case of veranda, corridor, coherent cinema, etc., then we called it as a one-way slab. Means suppose this side and this side, these two opposite sides are supported, then we called it as a one-way slab. One-way slab. This opposite side or these two opposite side, means this side or this side, either this side or this side, then we call it as a one-way slab. Coming to two-way slab, first criteria, that is longer span by shorter span ratio, which is smaller than 2, then we call it as a two-way slab. Means longer span by shorter span is smaller and equal to 2, then it is called two-way slab. Other criteria for defining two-way slab is that if these four sides of the slab are supported, then we call it as a two-way slab or differentiated it as a two-way slab. Now coming to the effective span of slab. So effective, according to IS 456-2000, effective span is differentiated depending upon the two conditions which is given in IS code, Indian Standard Code. So that two conditions are this: clear span plus effective depth and center to center distance between the support. Means from these two conditions, whichever is less, we consider them as a effective span. So here this is slab and this is a clear span. Suppose this support is 150 mm, this also support is 150 mm, and this clear span is 200 mm. Then effective span is by condition 1, clear span plus D. So clear span is 200 mm plus D, and D is calculated from here, that is D when overall depth of slab. Suppose we are considering 100 mm minus effective cover. Suppose consider effective cover as 20 mm, then D is coming as 80 mm. D comes 80 mm. So coming to this first condition, clear span plus D, the clear span is 200 mm and D from here, D is coming 80 mm. So 80 mm. adding to this will be 280 mm. From second criteria, center to center distance between support. So this is 150 mm and this is 150 mm. So center to center distance means this 200 mm plus this center 75 mm plus this 75 mm. That will be 200 plus 150 means 350 mm. 350 mm. So this, according to this condition, whichever is less, 280 mm is less. Therefore, effective span will be 280 mm. This is just one example. How to calculate effective span in slab. So thanks for watching.